Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
आजच आम्ही एज अ BLA असले आम्ही ते आम्ही एक मत घेऊन आणि फ्रॉम माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आय हॅव रिझाइंड एज अ BLA फ्रॉम माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. So there are many reasons like, see now I don't think so this Congress party is like interested in coming in power and forming government in coming 2027 assembly elections the way things are going. And the second thing is like we have been not taken in any confidence. There is no Congress leader. I don't know. Now I have been working for Congress for last so many years in Walpur constituency, but right now I don't know whether who is the leader of Congress in Walpur constituency. And nobody has told us that even the Kharge is coming. Kharge sir, the president is coming today. Means at least they should take the party, the BLA into the confidence. No? They have not informed us anything about that. आमका कांयच इन्विटेशन बाबा ना आणि म्हाका तरी एज अ हांव आतां इतलें हितून कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन काम करता आनी इतले 2-2.5 वर्सां वयर काम केलें एज अ BLA म्हणून आमकां पूण कांयच आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन येवंक ना आनी आमकां कोणेच खंयचोच लिडरान आमकां सांगूंक ना बाबा अमको मनीस येता आयज तुमकां आपयला कितें. आतां आमकां कांय खबर ना, हें फकत कितें थिंगासर कोणाक आपोवन कितें दुसऱ्यांकूय आपयला काय बेश्टी गर्दी करून ताका दाखोवंक जाय म्हणून थिंगा वयल्यार तें आमी नको. टोटल वालपयचे 10 जाण आसलेले ते ऑल 10 हॅव रिजायन. आय थिंक पार्टीनसून आमी रिजायन दिवंक ना. वी आर लायक अ लॉयल काँग्रेसमॅन. But right now the things which are going are very disappointing us, the way things are going in the Congress party. And nobody कित्याक अरे बाबा कोण काम करता तांकां तरी तुमी रिस्पेक्ट दिया न्ही. कोण काम करता इतल्या वर्सां हे ते तुमी प्रेजिडेंट चेंज जायतूय आसा, सगळे तुमी का जाय ते तुमी करता. आनी आयज येदो व्हडलो प्रेजिडेंट जर हो येता AICचो प्रेजिडेंट जर येता जाल्यार तुमकां तुमी कांयच इन्फॉर्म अशें करिना. म्हणजे जे काम करता BLA जावं आतां कोण आतां वाळपय आमचो लिडर कोण